is just a trick.
It's not a trick. Just hurry up. Hurry up.
Then why are you laughing?
Because she's laughing. Hurry up.
Fine.
Hurry up.
This is just a trick.
Go.
How is it a trick?
Fine.
Let me see it. Go. Hurry up. Hurry up. The more you think about it, it's nastier to kick.
Swallow it.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Don't do it. Go put it.
No, eat it. Come on.
No. Go put it away.
Bummer.
Go put it away. Put it back with his family. You would like if somebody
Eat it.
came down
Hurry.
and ate you.
Hurry.
Family member.
We're gonna,
Good tasting?
don't taste it. Just swallow it. Just swallow it like medicine. Ready? 5, 4,
Neighbors you would call him.
3, 2, 1. Go. Hurry.
You'll be able to make Survivor.
Hurry. Eat it.
Don't chew it, just swallow it.
Just swallow it. Let it go down.
And then JJ will.
Hurry.
Will you laugh at me?
No, go.
You are!
I couldn't even do it. You already tasted it. Hurry up. Hurry.
Seriously?
Yes. Eat it. Hurry up.
Why?
Guys.
Then you have to give me my $25.
Okay.
And then you're going to have to take me to Disney.
Just hurry up.
Tastes like nothing.
Brandon, then eat it. You already stuck it in your mouth.
It's not slimy.
Hurry up. Just swallow it. It's like a noodle. Hurry.
Oh my God!